Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we will open the newest release of Marvel. It's called Marvel Spiderman No Way Home Trading Card. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we will open the newest release of Marvel Upper Deck Marvel box. It's called Spider-Man No Way Home. So this box has Spider-Man Precious Metal Gems. We can get the Spidey Sigs logo patches and more SP and SSP cards as well as numbered parallel cards. So let's open this box, okay? So I think we are the first one here in the Philippines to open this kind of box, and let's now see. So here you go guys. So we will open this one. So this one has 15 packs per box and 6 cards per pack. So usually the best hit here or the chase cards are the autograph. So the best autograph card to get here is one by Andrew Garfield, a Spider-Man, or one by Tom Holland, also a Spider-Man. So hopefully we can get that one today. There you go. Guys, before we start, if you want to see more contents like this, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. So there you go guys. So 15 packs. Good luck to us, and let's see if we can get an auto or a nice chase insert here. So we start. So this is the base card. So it's from the movie Spider-Man No Way Home. So like the base card is like this, entering the mirror dimension. And we do have an insert. It's called the ensemble or ensemble. So this is Tobey Maguire as Spider-Man. There you go. So that's E3. Nice insert. So we have another base. Lead him inside the statue. Peter 1, Peter 2, Peter 3, and our first insert. It's behind the scenes. And so here you will see when they did the movie and the pictures behind the scenes. So this one is BTS 4. Nice. And we have our first blue parallel. So in every pack there's a blue parallel. So as you can see, the border is blue, but this is and this is number 13, the base. Nice. That's our first pack. Now we go now to our second pack. Okay. So we have another base. Oh sorry, we're so close. Another insert. William Dafoe as Green Goblin. So another ensemble insert. Peter, stop tampering with the spell. And our next hit. Ooh, that's nice. Andrew Garfield as Spider-Man in action. IA4. So that's a nice insert. And our blue parallel, Hey Dr. Connors. This is number 33. Next pack. So if this is 6 cards per pack and 15. So we stand to get 6 times 15, 75 cards all in all. So first, our base card, a new suit. Parker, it's their faith. We can't just send them home. We have another ensemble. Jacob Batalon as Ned Leeds. And we have a 1 per box insert. It's called Spiderman exclusive. Public Enemy number 1. So this is a 10 card set, and this is number PE7. So this is the 7th card of the 10 card set of a Public Enemy number 1. And what's nice about this one, guys, is that when you see the card, it's like a tabloid. So that's another insert. And our blue parallel, it's Marisa Tomei as May. And some E6 blue parallel insert. So that's a nice pack. Let's go to pack number 4. And let's see what we have here. Peter is me, Flint Marco. I just want to kill you myself. Just finished my Myth 1, so Zendaya. Wish we could see Peter. And we have another behind the scenes card. It's Zendaya walking along a steel plank. And nice, we have a blue parallel I Am Spider-Man. That's a nice one. And behind the scenes of Zendaya walking the plank. Okay, pack number 5. So far we haven't got any like big cards yet. So hopefully we get some more. Benedict Cumberbatch as Doctor Strange. So this is an ensemble again. I love you guys. Don't worry, ma'am, I'm coming. Don't worry about it. And we have a Sinister. So before that, we get our blue parallel. Where's the box, Peter? And Sinister. Sinister is a 10 card set of all the enemies of Spider-Man. And we have Jamie Foxx as Electro. Nice. So this one is S2. So another insert to look out for. Next. Next pack. Spider-Man, no good deed goes unpunished. Everybody get off the bridge. I've never seen him this powerful. Give me the box. Our blue parallel. You're not Peter Parker. Okay. So it's like this. And we have our first UD canvas. And it's Spider-Man. So this is C26. So this is a vector UD canvas Spider-Man. So the first 1 to 20 is the regular card. The 21 to 30 is the vector. And the 31 to and above is the sketch card. So our first UD canvas, you can get at least 3 UD canvas per box. So this is our first one, and it's a vector. Nice. Next pack. With the things that this one is going, I think we will get a very nice card. Thomas Hayden Church as Sandman. Let's do this. Can the Spider-Man come out to play? A monster flying through the air and another blue parallel, poor Peter. And we have another Sinister. So this is our second Sinister. And it's the same one. Jamie Foxx as Electro. S7. Okay. So, but it's a close-up picture. So this one is S2. And we have an S7. Nice. So 2 Sinisters in one box. Usually you get only one Sinister per box. So that's nice. And what is this? Spider-Man's name is Peter Parker. Andrew Garfield. Oh my God, I'm dead. Osborn. And I think we have a first the blue parallel. Nice knowing you, Spider-Man. And now I think we have an acetate. Zendaya as MJ. So this is FC1. Look at this, guys. An acetate card. The multiverse is real with a strip of the film. So this one is a nice insert. Okay, next pack. I feel like we will hit a monster card here. So we haven't gotten our numbered card yet. At least there's one per pack. Tell me when you see me again. One per box. I am trying to save you, Max. Rhys Evans as the Lizard. Public Enemy number 1. And our blue parallel. Okay, Spider-Man, Sandman's first. And what do we have here? Oh, we have a blue UD canvas. So this one is numbered. I believe it's numbered to 199. Or 299. 85 of 299. And look at that, guys. Super nice. UD canvas. Numbered card. C30. So another Vector UD canvas numbered card, blue. Very nice. So next card. Oh, I think we have a die cut card here. I have to try. Hello, Peter. Spider-Man is a menace. Our blue parallel, Tom Holland as Spider-Man. Nice. And what do we have here? Conception Perception, the Lizard, No Way Home. Look at this one, guys. CP6. So this one is a case hit. Conception Perception. What a hit. So I think this one is like one per case or one per 16 boxes. Conception Perception. Wow, what a nice card, guys. It's a die cut with acetate background of the Lizard. Nice. Last 5 packs. Hopefully we still get a very nice other hits. Let's see. Zendaya as MJ. You're not Peter Parker. Poor Peter. I can't hold him much longer. And we have a red parallel of Zendaya as MJ. I think this one is not numbered. Yup, just a red parallel. And our blue parallel, no good deed goes unpunished. Last 4 packs, guys. Alright. Hey, Dr. Connors. Marisa Tomei as May. I am Spider-Man. Where's the box, Peter? Our blue parallel. Everybody get off the bridge. And our red parallel is You're Not Peter Parker. Alright. Last 3 packs. So we're still due for one more what's this? The UD canvas. I hope we get a sketch. So it's another red parallel. Nice knowing you, Spider-Man. Okay, Spider-Man Sandman's first. Tom Holland as Spider-Man. No good deed goes unpunished. We have a red parallel, poor Peter, and a blue parallel. I've never seen him this powerful. Alright. Last 2 packs. So here is our last canvas card. I can't hold him much longer. Hey, Dr. Connors. Marisa Tomei as May. I am Spider-Man. Spider-Man is a menace. Daily fix. Blue parallel. And our UD canvas. I think this one is a sketch card. Nice. So it's C40. UD canvas sketch card. So we have a nice collection of UD canvas. And our last card of the break. Last pack. Come on, let's do a last pack mojo. Let's see if we can get a last pack mojo. And I think we have another canvas card. So 4 canvas in this box. Where's the box, Peter? Nice knowing you, Spider-Man. Okay, Spider-Man Sandman's first. Our blue parallel, Zendaya as MJ. And another insert, another UD canvas. This one is Sandman, C7. So this is just the ordinary UD canvas Sandman. So let's recap it, guys. Our best hits. So we got the Public Enemy #1. We got 2 Sinisters, both Electro. We've got our Multiverse is Real acetate card, Zendaya as MJ. We've got 3 canvases. So the base card, C7. We have the Vector. We have the canvas sketch, C40. And we have a very nice Vector blue, 85 of 299. And our best hit of the break, guys, the case hit, Conception, Perception, Spider-Man No Way Home, The Lizard. There you go, guys. So again, guys, if you like this content, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. Till the next break, guys. Bye!